Hey guys, this is Rikki, and Rikki has like the most hair in the world. I've never seen anybody's hair this thick in my life, okay? And then I'm gonna cut the hair off and cut my $200 custom made cape in the middle of that. So we are going to balayage her with Sunlight's balayage and Olaplex. I'm probably going to use the least amount of bowls that I have ever used on her hair in my life. I think we only used 8. Her hair is uber thick. I mean, guys, okay, all right, I'll get over it. And I also learned a cool new editing trick. So now we're gonna go to the top of the head and I'm gonna shoestring that hair. I'm gonna get on my tippy toes and I'm going to paint this money piece. That is the secondary money piece on the top of the head because people see that in the back and it always looks great. All right, guys, now we're gonna get into the front money piece. I'm gonna paint that heavy and bold and just shine off that pretty face of Rikki's right up there. Guys, we did have a casualty in all of this, and you're going to see that at the end. And when in doubt, weave that top out because sometimes people don't know what to do, and this creates a whole bunch of ridges, and we're just going to kind of bring that out. And there's the casualty, guys, my comb. But there it is, guys. There's the finale. It came out great. She looked beautiful. Guys, if you have any questions, don't forget to DM me. The links are in the bio, all the goodies. There it is, guys. Have a great one. Hey guys, and if you liked that video, don't forget to check out this one. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the ding dong.